What is going on, guys, and welcome to CSS tutorial. Starting from this video, we're going to actually look at CSS 3 features, and CSS 3 is actually the latest version of CSS. And the first thing we're going to look at is rounded corners. So over here you can see that I have a div, and I'm just going to go to my main CSS and I'm going to start styling it. So the first thing what I would want to do is, let's say I'm just going to say that it's going to have a width, and it's going to have like a width of, like, let's say 100 pixels, and then I'm just going to say that it has a height, and the height is also 100 pixels, and the background color is going to be, let's say, gray, something like this. So it has a gray background color. And now the rounded corners, right? In CSS3 we could actually write here border radius like this, and actually then we need to specifically say how many pixels. So let's say for this case I'm just going to use 25, and you can see how nicely my actually corners became round, right? And obviously if I would set this to like 100%, you can see that if I can do it with the buttons, or I can do with any type of element if I would want, right? So that's how I can make them appear much more nicer. And also I have an option, just like with the rest of the borders and paddings and margins, I have an option where I can actually write 4 values. So let's say over here, if I would write 25 pixels, here I would write 0. Next I would write like 30 pixels over here. And last I would write, again, I don't know, like 15, right? So you can see how I can actually be messing with those borders. So this one, let's say, would be 25. This one is 0. Then we have 30, and then we have 15, right? So you can see that if I would want to make this 0 over here like this, then these two are 0. So you get an idea. You have these 4 values that you can play around with and actually get a result that you would want. This is going to be it for this video, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.